What's up, guys? If you are a garage gym owner or just a gym owner in general, you want to make sure that you're taking care of your barbell. So I have some rust on my barbell. I'm going to teach you guys a way to get rid of this rust. So stick around and we'll see the end result. Let's go. Welcome to Cleaning Barbells with Coach Joe. So as you guys can see here, I have two barbells, one of which I cleaned last night. These are the Rogue Ohio Power Bars, probably one of the more expensive bars in the gym, and we actually haven't had it for more than a year, and it has developed a lot of rust and kind of like crud and stain, whatever. So this is one that hasn't been cleaned yet, and I'll show you guys closer up with some B-roll what this looks like, but you can tell along the collars there's a ton of rust, kind of along where the bearings are at, and then all over the knurling. Now this one is the one I cleaned yesterday, and it looks completely different, and we got rid of a lot of the rust and the stain, which is just due from the humidity. It's very hot in the Lions Den. We have summers that are around 90 to 100 degrees average. Like I said, very hot and humid, and plus just people using these bars a lot because we have a lot of powerlifters who like to use these. So what I'm gonna do is kind of teach you guys how to clean this. What I did for the barbell that I already cleaned is kind of just wipe it down already, brush it down whenever I can get off. Then I apply some Rust-Oleum Rust Dissolver, which is just from Home Depot. You can grab some of this, and then I'll use my wire brush. So here's my wire brush, and I'll go to town on that. And then usually within like 10 to 25 minutes or so, you really see a complete changeover with the barbell. After that's done, I spray it down with a little bit of water. So very inexpensive, just get a spray bottle, spray it down lightly, and then you can either use paper towels or a rag to kind of just dampen it down. After I do that, I'm gonna apply the 3-in-1 oil, which is directly from Rogue, which comes with this little brush. And that's just gonna kind of keep the monthly maintenance of the barbell. So I do this about once a month, and it's gonna kind of lube it up, keep it as rust-free as possible. But something like I'm doing now with a wire brush, I'll probably do it just a couple times a year, or for any bars that need it. Some of these barbells, depending on the coat or whatever we have going on, don't actually rust, but some of them do. So if you are a gym owner or a garage gym owner, this is gonna be something that's gonna help preserve your barbells, because I know you guys are putting out a big investment for the equipment that you have, so you wanna keep it as best as possible. So let's dive on into it, give you guys some footage of me cleaning these bad boys, and we'll see the end product. All right, my friends, so we are gonna put the Rust Dissolver on now. I'm just gonna squirt it all over, and then I'm gonna start just going to town with this wire brush, so see what happens. It's kind of like a jelly substance, so I'll just kind of spin the barbell around, make sure I get a couple squirts on different angles of it. One more thing I forgot to mention, guys, too, is gloves. Definitely want to get some of these. You never know what kind of chemicals are going to irritate your skin, so just in case, glove it up. So one thing I'll do is I'll kind of squirt the gel along, and then I'll kind of just like wipe it like I'm painting, and kind of just let it cover as much surface area as possible. And I'll let it sit, for a few minutes, and you can almost see like the chemical reaction already starting to take place, or it's just starting to erode any of that rust. So that's kind of what I'll do. I'll like paint it on wherever there's heavy rust spots, let it sit, and then I'll scrub really hard. And usually it's taken off all the crud and crap on there. So do me guys a favor, in the comments section, put down below what's your favorite barbell to train with, and if you've ever removed rust from a barbell, maybe what you guys use. But I'm interested to see what barbells you guys have in your gym or garage gym setup. So comment down below and let me know what you guys got. All right, so now since it's all scrubbed down, I'm just gonna apply some warm water, just spray it kind of just over top, light coat, and then I'm gonna take either paper towels or rags and kind of just clean up all this gunk. Once that's taken care of, I'm gonna apply the 3-in-1 oil with the brush, and that way it's just gonna kind of preserve the bar for as long as we can. All right, so now that the barbell has dried off, I'm gonna put the 3-in-1 oil from Rogue on there. So I'll kind of just do a line straight down the barbell. And then I'll just start scrubbing it all in the knurling here, all over the collars, kind of get in towards the bearings. And that's pretty much it. So this is what I'll keep up with regular maintenance, maybe once a month, once every 2 months. And then I will do the whole procedure you just saw whenever the barbell, seems like it's picking up some rust. So maybe just once or twice a year, or a little bit more if a certain barbell needs it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll put up the before and after in a second, and you guys can compare. So see ya.